What's up, Team T, baby? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I hope you guys are all having a gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful day. All you beautiful, beautiful people out there. Remember that you are beautiful, handsome, gorgeous, whatever it is. If no one's told you today, your girl just did. Look yourself every day in the mirror if you have to. If nobody's out there telling you like they should be, that you are beautiful, you are amazing. Tell yourself these things because it's important, you guys, to remind yourself how amazing you are, that you're here on this earth and you're doing wonderful things every day. So, I went to the gym this morning and I did back, biceps, shoulders, core, a little bit of cardio. So, I was a little bit tired. Then I had some matcha and we're back at it. So I took a shower, got ready real quick. Not really ready, but just got dressed real quick because I have something to show you guys. And today I'm going to get my booty kicked. I'm so excited. I don't know if you guys out there know this or who knows me, but I used to do boxing. That's also when I began my journey. I started boxing a lot. And I did classes, one-on-ones, I did a bunch of stuff like that. So I'm finally getting back into it again and I'm so excited because it just feels so good to let out aggression. And when you work a lot, and when you are, you know, on the computer a lot, social media, whatever, it just feels good to just like get away and just let out and hit. So I'm gonna go swing at it like I'm mad. So I'm gonna take you guys with me, but you guys always love to see my new shoes. Well, I don't know if all you do, but the majority tell me and they say let's do another shoe haul. So I'm not doing another shoe haul today, but that will possibly be coming soon, a bigger sneaker haul. I have done I think one or two before. I can link them down below for those that are interested and that know me, that I'm obsessed with sneakers and I don't care what anybody says. I love shoes. I love all kinds of shoes. But today, your girl got the, can you guess? The 10 Nike Prestos. Oh my gosh. I already like pretty much unwrapped them and did all those other shenanigans, but look at these babies. You're so beautiful. Did anyone tell you today that you're beautiful? Okay, so hold up. Prestos have been like my favorite for a long time. I have a lot of Prestos. You guys have probably seen me wearing them. They're really, really, really good training shoes. Like probably one of my most top 5 comfortable shoes now that I've tried like a couple of the Ultra Boost. But these are so comfortable. They're just like, the material itself is like, it's not too tight, not too loose, but it has like a really comforting material. You guys can just tell just from like me putting it this close to the camera. And then it has obviously like the bottom of it is just like it's like makes you feel like you're just gonna sprint through life in these. Now for me, I love the off-whites, but there's one thing I have to say that I'm not a huge fan of, is they all come with this red tag, and honestly, yeah, a lot of you sneakerheads out there are probably going to kill me. I take it off on most of mine. I know, but you know what? I have so many shoes and I use shoes to train in, and so when I'm running or doing things, sometimes I just don't like that there. So I'm going to leave it on today during my boxing session in these babies, and you guys can see me bouncing around in them. So I'm going to leave these on today and see if I like it. If I don't, I'll probably end up cutting it off in there, to be honest. Like I probably will, but I don't know. We'll see how I like it. So these, you guys, talk to me. These are my new faves. When I get shoes, I get so happy because I'm just a freaking sneaker fanatic. And I don't care what anyone says. I'll get older and older and older and I'll still love shoes. And you know what? I budget everything accordingly, and I have a fetish. You know, some of you out there have your feet fetishes. I understand. Now I get it because I have a shoe fetish, okay? So, there you go. Now, it also comes with these other 2 laces, but again, I think orange and green would look weird even with just like the red tag on there. I like the all black on black on black. So, put these bad boys on and get to boxing. I'll see y'all there. Warm up is done. Now let me show y'all what I'm really working with. Got your girl sweating. I'm out here dying.
What, good? Make sure. Good.
Yeah.
I'll just give you a sample.
Yeah. Give me that. Okay.
You'll look at that later editing and you're gonna laugh. That's why I did.
Okay, go. Yeah, you can see right there.
If I were to ever die in a car crash.
Hey, stop it.
If I were to die in a car crash,
No.
you'd be like, one. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Bam! There we go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. 1, back 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Back, go back. 1, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Alright, body. 1. 1. Another one. 1. 1. 1. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. 1. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Don't be a softie. Come on, let's go. 1. Come on. Don't worry. Just throw it right here. You don't do it. We'll see the body. I don't remember to do it. Yeah. So do a 1 and then boom. Go. Boom. Go. 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 1. 1. 1, 2. 1, 2. Go back. 1. 1. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Bang. 1, 2, 3. 1. 1. 1, 2. Yeah. 1. 1. 1. Come on. 1. 1. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Duck. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1, 2. Duck. 1. 1. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. 1. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1. Good. There you go. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. Oh, let's do another one next. Alright, 1. 1. 1. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1. 2, 3, 2. There.
1, 2, 3, 2.
1, so it's going to be a 1, 2, 3, and then come back to a 2.
Got it.
There you go, slow. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. Okay? Got it? Alright. You ready? Alright, 1, 2, 3, 2. Ready? Here we go. Good. Good. Go, keep going. Keep going. Good. 1. 1. 1. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2. Again. 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 So I say stop. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. 1. 1. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Good. Legit. Not saying this to butter you up. Legit impressed.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. And we're able to pick it up like that. 1, 2, 3 can see what it's doing sometimes.
I remember that one.
It's hard as it. Think I can make rules for it?
Yeah.
You guys can?
The
One. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. 1. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2. Make a lot of it. 1, 2, 3, 2, alright? Again. 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 Come on, keep going. Again. Good. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, up, okay? There you go. 1, 2, up. 1. 1. 1. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1. 1. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. 1. 1, 2. 1, 2. Turn that right one over. 1, 2. There you go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Bam! There we go. 1, 2, 3, 2. Nice. Again. 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 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. There we go. Good job. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, body. Come on. Keep going. All day. All day. Get the hips going. Get the hips going. I know you know how to use the hips. Let's go. Let's go. Small ones. Like this. 12 palm square. Actually, come over here. 12 palm square. No, 4 palm square. Like this. Okay? Go. Just like this. Ball your feet. Just slow, man. Just don't.
So don't twist my hip.
Nope. Little, little. Let's go. Boom. 1, 2, 1, 2. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Breathe, 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 breathe. 1. Not even done. Let's go. 1. 1. 1. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2. Bam. 1, 2, 3, 2. Again. Oh. 1. 1. 1, 2. 1, 2. Boom. 1, 2. Straighten it out. Get it out straight. 1, 2. There we go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2. Again. Boom. Up high. 1, 2s. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come square with me. Come square with me. There you go.
Oh, my arms are dying.
Come on. Push through. Push through. Push through. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think I was doing it.
Sign me out. Oh my god. I'm taking a break, y'all.